Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Tonight, guys, I have a whole bunch of flowers that are going to be opening. So I'm going to have a busy night. Tomorrow, I'm going to tackle this garden, get rid of some stuff that I've been meaning to get rid of for like a very long time now. It's just really a feed me Seymour type moment going on in my garden. And so I have to tackle that. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys all the flowers that are going to be pollinated tonight. And hopefully the first week of the new month, which will be August, I'm going to have a raffle, members only raffle, but those fruits will not be ready until probably the end of August, beginning of September. But I want to get everything established. Long story short, you guys know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.